In this video, I'm building a modern DIY floating nightstands. As part of my master bedroom remodeling, I wanted to build something minimal with just the necessities, yet it should go along with this beautiful accent wall. The requirement is simple. I just need a small drawer and a hidden power strip with at least 3 sockets. Also, I'm planning to wall mount it. I know I said that I didn't want to drill holes on this pattern wall while building the headboard. But in this case, I intend to have the nightstand design to be part of the pattern wall accent itself. So I planned this ahead and had installed necessary wood backing behind the shiplap to get sufficient mounting support. To build it, I'm using a single sheet of 16-inch wide and 8 feet long edge-glued pine boards for each nightstand. First, I did all my cross cuts using a circular saw and a straight edge guide. Then did all the rip cuts with a table saw to required widths. If you want to build this, I have a detailed tutorial, cut list and plans on my website for free. Link is in the description below. To assemble, I used pocket hole joinery. Made pocket holes on the bottom panel and side panels. Then connected them together with glue and 1-inch pocket screws. Make sure to clamp the pieces together and check if it's square. Next, I decided to install the drawer slides since I would have better access without the top. Then measure the gap between the slides and build the drawer box. Before fixing the top, I made a 2-inch hole inside the cubby made for the power strip to take the cables in and out. Like I said before, I'm building these tables with a hidden power strip. To access that, I'm going to have a lid on the tabletop. To do this, I mark the outline and remove the bulk part of the opening with a jigsaw. Then I clamped temporary guides with some scrap wood around the opening and routed it to get a clean edge. Once I got that, I used a 1/4-inch rabbet bit to route a recess on 3 sides of the opening. This recess will hold the lid in position. Next, I cut the lid out of a 1/4-inch thick hardboard. I made this for both the nightstands. Just so you know, these nightstands are going to be a mirror of each other in design. Then I marked and cut a slot on one side of the cubby lid to act as a finger pull. Also, the wires from the power strip will come out of this gap. Then I fixed the top using brad nails and recess screws, followed by cutting French cleat to mount on the wall. One piece with 45-degree angle cut on bottom is installed to the storage, and other half with 45-degree angle cut on top is mounted on the wall. This is a perfect system to mount objects on walls. I've used this in many of my projects before, and you can check them out on my website. Just remember that this nightstand is going to cantilever about 16 inches, so try not to lean or sit or climb on it. Then I cut the front pieces for the drawer and side cubby. I will install them after mounting the nightstands. At this point, I realized that these pine boards are not really 16 inches wide evenly. So to correct that, I cut pine strips and added them as a lipping to the front. Next, I'm filling all the nail holes and sanding everything down to have a smooth surface and soften the edges. Then cleaned it thoroughly with tack cloth to get rid of all the dust. It's time to finish these nightstands. I wanted the top to be same color as the wall, which is Nocturne blue from Behr. And the entire nightstand is sealed with a clear polyacrylic sealer. Then mounted them on the wall. Finally, I installed the drawer face, a simple black pull handle, and fixed the cubby front with glue and nails. I also added wood strips on the cubby face to tie the design elements together in this room. It doesn't just look awesome, but it's even functional with a drawer storage, hidden power source for your chargers and lamp, and no more visible ugly power adapters and cords. You can check out the final reveal of this room in this video here, or check out how I made this gorgeous accent wall. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, ta-ta, bye-bye, see you.